Make a great choice today with the 2018
BMW M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's Motorsports Performance Division.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control,
Steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system,
traction control, anti-lock braking system,
backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel.
If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.